Hello everyone, Hector Mendoza here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get, let me see here, we have 118 files, which they're Photoshop files, and it's 1.94 gigabytes. So the files are actually pretty big because I fly a drone and I use 50K instead of 16K video photos. So these things are all 24, 20, they're all huge files. So in the past, I've used Photopea and some other software that's free, so I created a video to show how long it takes to reduce that many files using a batch, part of Photopea. So if you notice this lock here, you'll see how long it took me to reduce that many files. So if you notice, I got to about right here, which was about 13 minutes and 10 seconds. That's how long it took me to reduce those files. Now, let me show you how easy and fast it is if you download a program that anybody can download for free. You have to have a Microsoft account. If you don't have one, like it's you can create one for free, okay? And it's gonna give you this thing's called PowerToys. They're a utility to make your computer run more efficient. So let me show you how easy it is to reduce this many files. So all I have to do, copy them to a drive or to a folder. You always want to maintain your original files. So I made a copy of them. All I have to do is hit Ctrl A. Here, let me put a timer out here so you can see how fast this this thing takes. So look right here, there's a timer, right? I'm going to reset it. So I'm going to right click. I'm going to go in here and resize image with Resizer, which is part of the utilities that I was talking about. I'm going to reduce the files 50%. Okay, so and those other settings I'm just going to leave for right now. Okay, so watch. If I hit resize, hit my timer, look how fast it's going to reduce those files. We're at 9 seconds, 10 seconds, 11 seconds, 12 seconds. Boom, we're done. It took 16 seconds versus what was that time on the let me see. Oh, I closed it. Something like 13 minutes and 10 seconds. Now, if you notice, if I select everything and get the properties, then now it went from 1.9 gigabytes to 324 gigabytes or megabytes. Now, if you notice, these files were 19, 20, 24, some of them were 26 megabytes. The biggest one is 4,283, which is 4.2 megabytes. And then the low ones were half a megabyte. So this is a real nice program for those of y'all that need to reduce files. And that's all I wanted to show you. But here, let me show you something. So if you go to let's say, let me close out of here, and there's this program right here. That's what you're gonna install in your system. Okay, it's called PowerToys. Once you install it, these are all the different tools that you can use. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give a list of them that'll look like that under my description, and inside my description you'll see here's the link to go to Microsoft. Here's my video link that shows you how to install it. It's real simple, but you know, for those of y'all that are, you know, that are new to computers, here's the link. So basically, if you would go to, you know, you can copy and paste this link, which you'll see at the bottom of my video. It takes you right to Microsoft, and then, you know, then you would click, let me see, right here, and it would take you to the install. That's all I wanted to show. Here, let me do that real quick for you. And then you just download it and install it. And I have the instructions. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. I'll see you on the next video. So I am gonna be going in and going through each one of these different kinds of tools that this thing does, but this is one of the tools that I wanted to show y'all because this is it's big for me. I really save a lot of times reducing files using this free utilities. Again, thank you for watching my videos. I'll see you on the next one.